Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be doing my BoxyCharm unboxing for June of 2024, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So this month, I believe I only got like 5 items. This is how it came boxed. Now I did take some of the things out of their boxes and I'm using them today, which I'll show you what I'm using today. But this is how it came. Like I said, some of the things are out of their boxes. I'm just going to grab them one by one and show you guys. It did come with this little pamphlet that shows you some of the products that you may have received and the prices and everything. I wish I would have got actually some of this stuff. Like, I love that blush right there. Super cute. I always love a good perfume, which I didn't even have that option for this, so I'm a little sad about that. And then all this stuff. I love this Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a contour stick. That thing is awesome. You can get it for $17, but it's normally like 40 something. So that's a really good deal. So those are things that you can add to the cart, which I may have to get me another one of those because I really do like those and I've already been using it a lot. This is what it looks like. I've like literally been using this every single day because I love it so much. So the first thing that I received is this right here. And it is an Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer with sunscreen, and it has SPF 30, which is awesome. I do have the face cleanser for this, which is in my shower right now, so I will be using this. So it has SPF, so I'm actually just going to keep this out of the box and put it up on my makeup desk right here. So this is the next thing that I got in the box, which is this right here, which I'm using today. And it is a 3-in-1 stick, so you can use it for eyeshadow, your lips, or your cheeks. I use it on my cheeks today, so that's what that blush is. It's a really pretty color. You can see, let's swatch it right there. And it blends out really well. I'm just gonna stick this up here because I'll be using this. It's a really pretty color, and you can see how well it blends out. It looks really pretty, very like bronzy. It goes good with like my bronzer. You can see it blends in super well. So that's what that was. I'll put it at the end. I'll tell you how much everything is worth in this video. So the next thing that I received is this right here, which is a lipstick. It's the color that I'm wearing right now, which I did top it with another like lip gloss that I got in this month. This is what the lipstick looks like. I'm going to swatch it down here. So it is a really beautiful like nude color. That's what I'm wearing. For liner, I did not receive a liner, but for liner, let me go ahead and show you. Where's my liner? For the liner, I'm using Dragon Beauty in Lip Job liner. I believe it's the color Lip Job. It's this really pretty, it's like a brown. So this with this, and then I'll show you the lip gloss right now that I'm using, which I think it's a really nice, beautiful, like nude lip. This is the next product that I received, which I'm wearing on top, which is this lip gloss. It is by this brand right here. You can see. And it is in this shade Latte, which it's a really good lip combo. So I'm gonna swatch it right here. It's like a nice like nude gloss, you can see. So all those together made this, which I really like it. It's really comfortable. And you can see it's not like a super sticky lip. So that was that, which I will be using this combo. I think it's a great like nice nude combo. This thing's like trying to fall. Last thing that I got was this Glam Lash Volume Mascara by Laura Geller, which I'm not wearing. It is a black mascara. I'm not going to open it because I do have other mascaras that I just opened, but this is what it looks like. I don't want to put air in there because I will be using this later. So that was everything that I received in this month's box. Let me go ahead and see how much this box retailed for. Okay, so the total value of the variation that I chose and everything was $114. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.